लेट्स डिस्कस 6 क्वेश्चन। तो यहाँ पर हमें एक एपी गिवन है और हमें फाइंड करना है वेदर -150 इज अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस एपी और नॉट। लेट्स चेक द सॉल्यूशन। तो यहाँ पर हम गिवन पार्ट से स्टार्ट करेंगे। गिवन टू अस इज दिस एपी इज देयर एंड लेट्स चेक द सॉल्यूशन। So we'll start by assuming that A is the first term of this AP, which is given as 11. D is the common difference of this AP, which is 8 minus 11 or -3. And let's assume that -150 is the nth term of this AP. So Tn, that's the nth term, we are assuming it is -150. So we'll try to find the value of n here कि अगर -150 इस सीरीज का पार्ट है तो कौन सी टर्म होगी जो -150 होगी। तो यहाँ पर हम nth टर्म का फॉर्मूला यूज़ कर रहे हैं और पुटिंग द वैल्यूज Tn इज -150, A is 11 and D is -3. So putting these values and solving it, ये जो 11 है ये LHS में जाएगा, it will become -161 is n minus 1 times -3. तो both the side this negative sign will get cancelled down. तो जो n minus 1 है that will be 161 by 3 और in decimal form it will be 53.67. ये negative 1 it will go on the other side and it will add up. So n is coming as 54.67. Now the point to be noted is n is which term we are talking about. It's either 5th term or 7th term or 54th term. So it will always be the natural number which we are talking about. So n cannot be in decimals, and thus we can say that our assumption that nth term is -150 is wrong, or -150 is not part of the given AP, and that's our answer.